Hello viewers, if you are joining us for the first time, this is JAMB TV. You can as well follow us on Facebook on JAMB Online Chemistry. In today's video, we are going to consider characteristics of salt. And one of the characteristics of salt is what? The deliquescent. There are some salt possess some certain characteristics. We have exhaustively discussed other characteristics of salt in our previous video. We have characteristics such as a fluorescent. We have discussed fluorescent. We also have discussed hygroscopic. We also discussed drying agent. So in today's video, we want to look at deliquescent. Now, let me take a recap of what we have already discussed in our previous video. We have a fluorescent. There are some sort that when you expose them to air or to atmosphere, they will absorb moisture and turn to solution. There are some that will absorb moisture, they will not turn to solution. There are some that you expose them, they will even lose some of the water molecule that they have, and those are all the characteristics of salts, which we have already looked at in a case of a fluorescent. A fluorescent is one that when you expose them, it will lose some of the water molecule in it. Then we also looked at hygroscopic. Hygroscopic is a type of salt that when you expose them, it will absorb moisture. But in the case of deliquescent, which we are going to look at in this video, deliquescent are substances that when you expose them to air or to the atmosphere, what it do, it will absorb moisture, then it will not turn to solution. Like I said, there are substances that will absorb moisture and turn to what? Solution. Unlike hygroscopic, the deliquescent will turn to solution. I'll give you a simple step in which you can use to remember deliquescent substance. In exams like JAMB, they will not ask you what is deliquescent substance. They will always give you some compound to identify which one will absorb water and turn to solution. So I'll give you simple trick you can use. We use acronym to illustrate this. Now, if you remember this acronym, clever men always prepare amazing liquid like zinc for perfect chemistry solution. I repeat, clever men always prepare amazing liquid like zinc for perfect chemistry solution. That is a simple trick you can use to remember all the substances that are deliquescent. I repeat, clever men always prepare amazing liquid like zinc for perfect chemistry solution. So I will illustrate it on the board so that you know what clever means, what men means, what always means, and so on and so forth. Now watch out. This is clever men always prepare amazing liquid like zinc for perfect chemistry solution. So in this is a simple trick you can use to remember all the substances that all the salts that are deliquescent. You get that all the substances that are deliquescent, you use this acronym. Clever men always prepare amazing liquid like zinc for perfect chemistry solution. Now, what does clever stand for? See here, we're only looking at the first letter of every word. Like now, we are looking at C, M, A, P, A, L, Z, F, P, C, and what? S. So let's start with C. C here stands for calcium chloride. Calcium chloride is a deliquescent substance. When you expose this substance to air, it will absorb moisture and turn to solution, turn to liquid. The next thing is magnesium. Magnesium chloride is another example. We have ammonium. Ammonium chloride is another example. We have Potassium hydroxide, remember P stand for potassium. That potassium is a symbol of the symbol of potassium is K. So potassium hydroxide is another example. A here we have ammonium. Ammonium nitrate is another example. Liquid here stand for lithium chloride. Like now is just to make the sentence smooth, so it does not stand for anything. We now go to zinc. Zinc chloride is another perfect example. Look at iron chloride. Iron chloride is another perfect example. Phosphorus pentaoxide is another perfect example. Copper chloride is another perfect example. And sodium hydroxide, that is caustic soda. So these are the various deliquescent substance. This substance, these are all the deliquescent substance. Some textbook you will see tetraoxosulfaces. Tetraoxosulfaces is more of hygroscopic substance than deliquescent substance. Do you get that? So all this one is pure example of deliquescent substance. When you expose all these compound to air, it will absorb the moisture and it will turn to what? To solution. For more of this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can as well share this video to as many who are preparing for JAMB. Remember, follow us on Facebook on JAMB Online Chemistry. Thank you. Any question, do well to put it on the comment section. I will attend to it. And also, for your information, we are currently organizing JAMB lesson class for people who are preparing for JAMB. If you want to know more, please put it on the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.